right, so we have our plants book again today, and we're going to continue reading where we left off yesterday. Most plants grow from a seed. The seed takes in minerals and water through the root. The stem carries minerals and water to the leaves. Plants need water to grow. Wow, plants grow from seeds. And plants have stems that work like straw to the plant that suck up the water. So it seems like these pages were all about how plants grow. So I'm going to write myself a sticky note. I'm going to put how plants grow. And I'm going to put it at the top of the page so it acts like a header for these pages, because they were all about how the plant grows. So the main topic of this book is plants. And the details I'm going to learn on this page is how they grow. Just like we were talking about with puzzle pieces, right? The pieces are the different parts to the plant and how it grows. So my whole is how they grow. Let's read the next set. Many plants live in the rainforest. The warm, wet habitat is perfect for them. But plants can also grow in the dry, hot desert. The cactus stores water inside its stem and leaves. So what do you think these pages are about? Are they still about how the plant grows? Or were they about something new? Turn to your learning coach and share with them, what do you think these pages were about? So these pages were not about how the plant grows, but about where they live. So I'm going to make a new header on a sticky note. And this one I'm going to put where plants live, because that's what these pages were about. So now we've made two headers in this book. We have how plants grow and where plants live. Plants need food to grow. Some plants make their own. They use water, air, and sunlight to make food. So page 17 says that plants need food to grow. What do plants eat? It seems like they make food out of water, air, and sunlight. That must be why a plant dies if you don't water it, or if you keep it in a dark place. Some plants catch their food. The leaves of a Venus flytrap hold a sweet juice. When an insect tries to sip it, the leaves snap shut. Let's study these pages closely, because there's a lot of information in the pictures that the words didn't tell us. So I'm going to collect some details about a Venus flytrap. Let's see, as I collect those ideas, I'm just going to jot them down. So I know that it's green. I can see that in the picture. It's kind of oval shape. I can see that in the picture too. Right? The leaves almost kind of look like an oval. Sticky. The picture looks like it almost has two parts, right? Kind of looks like there's one part on this side and one part on this side, and the words told me that it snaps together. So that kind of gives me an idea that it's two different sides. The words also told me that it has sweet juice, and that's what attracts the bugs and the flies. So, using some of our details that we know about the Venus flytrap from the words and the pictures, can you put together a sentence describing the Venus flytrap? Go ahead and share with your learning coach. What is a sentence you could say about the Venus flytrap? So your sentence might be something like, the Venus flytrap is a plant that is green and oval shaped. Or the Venus flytrap is a plant that traps flies inside. All right, so as you're reading today and working today, I want you to be thinking about all the different parts of your books and how they go together.